Hi, it's Angela, and I'm showing you how to make a cheeseburger. So, right now,
The girl got that stove too
I
high.
have to spray
Which one of these you want?
the cheese. Have to spray the pot with some can oil. I will be spraying the pan. Next, to make my cheeseburger, I will need the meat to make my cheeseburger. And place it on your tray. On the pot. Then we'll need this. Wash it off a little bit so it can be clean before you put your cheeseburger in. Make sure it's nice. It's heating up. So right now, I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit. Yeah. While we wait, let's talk about. So, comment down below if you ever cooked something before. Cheeseburger, hot dog, anything. Even if macaroni, anything basic, just say cook. Cause like I cook this all the time. I don't know why. I'm just an expert on cheeseburgers. Maybe I might, when I get older, might do this. Make cheeseburgers or type of, cheeseburgers or any kind of french fries and everything. I might have my own thing. So when I get older, like your name Angela, if you see any place that sells like if it says Angie on it or anything, it's probably gonna be mine because I'm gonna try to get my own business when I get older, selling, making money off of cheeseburgers. Yeah, so I'm just gonna flip it around so the other side can get some heat. Ooh, look how it turned out so far. Nice, I know. So while we let it cook a little bit, just comment down below what you think about me getting my own restaurant to sell burgers, hot dogs, chili dogs, whatever. Just comment down below. Y'all can know. But when I get older, when I want to go to college, I can raise some money. So I can buy my own restaurant, some people to work there and everything. Yeah. So comment down below. Let's put some more. I'm getting that. I know. Grandma gave us. I could have saved. My mom only bought like 4 cheeseburger meats, so I could have made you a cheeseburger. Maybe next time we come over. You could ask your mom if you could spend the night today, but tomorrow I have to go with my father. Well, no, I don't have to go with my father tomorrow. You could have brought some clothes over. You could ask my mom to spend the night. Okay, this side. Now I'll be putting the pepper and the sea salt. So, put a little bit. Okay, when you're making cheeseburger, you have to put a little bit of it. So, I did this before by accident, and I put a lot of this. When I put this on it, so after I put this on it, I put too much of this, and then when it tastes good because I have too much seasoning, so it really tastes the meat. So just put gentle. A little bit. And a little bit of this. If you want to make a good cheeseburger, make a little bit of this. Maybe a little too much. Spread it out. Spread it on the whole burger so the whole burger can get it. And if you don't think that the whole burger got the seasoning, spread it out like this. Okay, people?
Good shot of burger.
Now,
That burger looks good.
flip it around. Do the same thing to the other side, so it could be baked. Boop. Okay. I don't want to put a lot, but I want it to taste bad.
The cheese will give it more flavor.
Ooh. No. Spread it out. Like I said, spread it out. Spread it out. Spread it out. Oh, God.
So the burger's finished now?
No.
Not yet?
Still need to bake. Ooh. You need to bake the middle part so you make a good burger. Now,
Yeah, and you don't want the in the middle part to be like pink.
soft and everything.
Yeah.
Want to get okay. Now this, my mom didn't buy burger bread, so I have to use wheat bread or whatever kind of bread this is, but it's still good. I tried it before. Now what you do, you put the bread right here. I don't really like the ends on my cheeseburger, so I'll cut it off, but not right now. Well, I will, since the cheeseburger is cooking. Hopefully it doesn't overcook while I'm doing this. I'm just going to do this really fast. I'm just going to flip it over before it burns. Nice.
That
Getting
sizzle.
better. Now, just cutting off the ends, because I really do not like ends on my burger. It looks horrible, but the ends are off.
When you put cheese on one of the,
I put it on the burger. And I'm about to put cheese on the burger. Let me just... Ooh, this side looks good now. This is the side should I put the cheeseburger on. I'm gonna put... Fire. Don't record that part.
world. Oh shoot!
Oh shoot! Fire.
Oh shoot! Epic fail. Here's a fire. I'm gonna put "goes wrong" in the title. I'm gonna put "cooking cheeseburgers with Angie goes wrong." Gone wrong.
Very funny.
It's funny though, cause
Just gonna get out.
okay.
Don't. Are you recording? Take off that part where the fire happened. That's why people should be safe. Baking gone wrong. Yeah. End it. I said end it.
I'm gonna try to put the fire in the thumbnail.
The what?
On the thumbnail, like when you see like the picture.
Did you just not just hear me?
Fine.
Angela's cooking for the first time on YouTube. Well, Angela's cooking gone wrong. Fire. Bad. Try this from not happening to your house. And what you do, if you find something close enough, so don't ever put a paper towel next to here. I finished. My business. Don't do this ever again. People, watch what you're doing. Bye.